Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. Our question today is one mouse the sign of an infestation? Even if you've spotted just one mouse, then yes, you need to consider you're dealing with an infestation. Mice don't travel very far from their nest. House mice can produce rapidly, with a single female able to produce 10 litters a year and with about 6 offspring per litter. So, if you've seen one mouse, you need to perform a thorough inspection to determine where the nest is so you can get rid of it fast. Check the kitchen, garage, and basement for mouse droppings, gnawed furniture, grease smears along the wall, and foul-smelling odors. If you leave out any open food sources like pet food, then check the packaging for openings or chew marks. Once you've found the source of your infestation, you'll want to treat it as soon as possible with professional-grade products like snap traps, glue boards, or rodenticide bait blocks. I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest-related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today. So if you've seen one mouse, then you need to conduct a thorough inspection to determine where the mouse is coming from. To determine where the nest is so you can get rid of it as soon as possible. You need to conduct a thorough inspection to determine where the nest is so you can get rid of it as soon as possible.